Hello everyone. Do you fun today? Do you have a pet? I have a pet too. My pet is a dog. Do you have any dogs or parrots? Today we will read Polly Parrots. Maybe this house are not Peppapig house. What it can be? Look, it's purple. Let's see. Maybe it's Peppapig house, but Peppapig house roof is red and the wall is yellow, not a light blue, and roof is purple like this. But I want to read this. Let's read. Peppa and her family are visiting Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig. Granny Pig, Grandpa Pig, Granny Egg, Baba Egg. Maybe Peppa and George are very happy to visiting Grandpa Pig and Granny Pig house. And now I know it is Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig house. Here. Ooh, we have a parrot. Its name is, I don't know. Hello, my little ones. Come inside, we have a surprise. What is it? We have a new pet. Can you guess what it is? Dinosaur? No, it's not a dinosaur. Dinosaur, come and see. It's a parrot, but I didn't know what name it is. But I have a one sentences is very jokes. I said for you. The name is I didn't know. Granny Pig and Grandpa Pig have a pet parrot. Peppa, George, this is our pets. She called Polly Pretty Polly. She called Polly Pretty Polly. Polly? Is that a Polly Pocket? No. Polly Pocket is one game. It has a small character. Its leg is very thick. But I like that game too. But today it has a Polly Parrot, not a Polly Pocket. Now let's see what Granny Pig says with Polly. Pretty Polly. Oh, maybe Polly are pretty. She is colorful too. Now let's see what Polly says. Pretty Polly. Polly's copy everything. Everyone says. Ooh, wow. Maybe Peppa and George are one to play with Polly too. And I like Polly parrots. I wish in my home has a parrot too. I like to hear my parrot copy me. I'm a clever parrot. I'm a clever parrot. I need to make my voice just like Polly in the movie. I want to make it same. Mommy, why does Polly copy everything that Granny says? That's what parrot do. I'll show you. Hello, Polly. Hello, Polly. Yes, Polly parrot copy everything. Everyone says. What a sweet little parrot. What a sweet little parrot. But I want to have a same voice, but my voice is not the same. Maybe you can make it. Come on, everyone. Tea time. Peppa, George, come on. Where's chocolate cake? Granny. Very silly. When Grandpa Pig says, "Come on, everyone, tea time," and Peppa and George don't come, but Grandpa Pig says, "Come on, we're chocolate cake," and Peppa and George go, coming. Just like my daddy says, I need to learn to early time, but I says it's not 8 o'clock, but my daddy says it can early and you can say play early, and I coming out. Peppa and George love eating chocolate cake, but today they are in the hurry to get back and play with Polly Parrots. Finish! What's noisy, little ones you are? Granny, please can we leave the table and go and see Polly Parrots? Are you sure you clumpety finish your cake? Off you go then. What a chocolate cake in it, huh? Peppa and your mouth. Really ridiculous and funny. Just like Peppa put dirt on her face. Put dirt just like a lipstick. But not nearly. Not lipstick or brown. When I put my lipstick or brown, it's so ugly. Hooray! George, say something to Polly. George is a little bit shy. This is Peppa. This is Peppa, not George. Sorry, everyone. Hello. Hello. George cannot say hello, but Peppa can say it. Peppa and George are really enjoying playing with Polly Parrots. I'm Peppa Pig. I'm Peppa Pig. George, say something. Peppa and George are pretending to be parrots. I'm Polly Parrots. Peppa is thinking of something else to say with Polly Parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Maybe parrot that's not noisy. Peppa, George, have you been playing with Polly? Yes, Granny. Polly is such a sweet parrot. Yes, Granny. I'm a clever parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. I'm a noisy parrot. Oh my world. It's so funny in this page, but now we need to go to sleep. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.